Now, before you say anything, I know that I haven't yet done the hourglass from the September Sophie and Toffee Elves box. I know. And it's because I've been struggling with what to do with it. Like, I need inspiration. So hopefully the October box will help me out with that. I don't know if it will because I have no idea what the theme is, as per usual. So let's get into it. Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha, and check out my new background. I mean, come on, is this not just the most fairy cave background ever? It's just perfect. I love it. Anyway, so I haven't done the hourglass from last month's box yet, simply because I needed some more like inspiration with it. Do you know what I mean? Like, I didn't want to just do something along the same lines of what I've been doing already on this channel. I wanted to try and do something a bit different, or maybe just use a different color scheme. I just couldn't quite work it out. So I thought, okay, I'm going to leave it. And then when October comes, then maybe that might give me some inspiration for it. Who knows? It might not. It might be something completely different. I don't know because I've got no idea what the theme is. So without further ado, let's jump straight into this. Now, for those of you who are new to my channel, first of all, hello and welcome. I tend to do my unboxings blind. So I literally just, we're back to the purple. I literally just, put my hand in, have a little feel around, and then, react to that. I generally try my hardest not to know what the themes are. So you're going to see me trying to guess the theme as we go along. The box feels full. This is a good sign. Okay, so that feels like it's the booklet. Let's pop you over there. Let's see, what do we have? What is this? Oh, okay. We seem to have some gloves and some sort of tool. What is this? What on earth is this? Oh, this doesn't actually come off. Okay, so this is some sort of like spreading knife and some gloves. I'm very intrigued. I'm very intrigued. What could this possibly be? I mean, I'm grateful for the gloves because, safety first when it comes to working with resin. Is this box even resin though? I don't even know. What's that? What? By the way, I do get the premium box, so look at the shells. Oh my God, I love shells. Do we have like an underwater themed thing? Oh my goodness. Could I make like an underwater themed hourglass timer thing? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I love the feel of shell. I love the feel of shells and crystals. Listen to that. A bit of ASMR for you. Shells. Could I make a career out of doing ASMR? Just me, a microphone, and some shells. Isn't that amazing? Why am I doing this awful American accent? I'm so sorry. I don't mean to offend anybody. Right, let's keep it moving. Okay, what is this? This is very squidgy. Oh, we have like some sort of fake moss, or that could even be real. I don't even know. I'm feeling an underwater theme, and I'm very, very happy about this. I do like underwater things. Okay, what is this? It's a big ass shell. Let's crack this baby open. I've even got like a big shell thing here on my desk. I've made a big shell necklace before. Look at this beauty. That's massive. If I just... Oh my gosh. Or I could be like Ariel. No, let's... This is a family channel, okay? Let's not go there. Let's not lower the tone. Right, what is this? Oh, do you know, I'm so glad for this because I've been wanting to get some of this, like, what's it called? Sand. I've wanted to get some of this sand and I don't quite know where to go to get it. I want to get it in a larger quantity. So if anyone knows where I can get this sand but in a slightly larger quantity, please do let me know. We have some cups. I'm appreciating the tools that are coming with this box as well, because this is good for people who are beginners to like crafting and stuff, because like not everybody has all of the tools just to hand. Okay, I'm feeling resin. I'm feeling 2-part resin. 1-to-1 resin. That's what we like. Okay, we have a 1-to-1 ratio of resin there. Brilliant. And how many grams is that? Is that 100 grams altogether? It looks like a 50-gram bottle. Yes, it is. Okay, so we have 100 grams altogether of epoxy resin. Make sure that you are wearing your gloves for that. Oh, so the knife is to stir it with then, I'd imagine, as opposed to spreading. Okay. I should have known that from the start. Is this more resin? Oh my God. Okay, so we have 200 grams of resin. Why do we need so much resin? For what? What is the... An easel? What is the easel for? What is... Okay. Cups. Okay, there's a lot of tools going on. This is good, but like I need to know what for. Is that all glitter? No, it's not. It's... I got excited for a second. I thought this was a whole gigantic tub of glitter. Oh my goodness. Okay. Hold on. Whoa. Hold on. Let me try and get this off. Okay, so this is what looks like bezel tape. But I could be wrong. That could be actually decorative tape. It might be decorative tape because there's a smaller one as well. The colour's beautiful. But that looks like bezel tape to me. Hold on, let me check. It looks like it could just be bezel tape. I don't know. I'll work it out. But this, look at the amount of glitter. Oh my gosh. I never say no to iridescent glitter. That's a really big pot. They don't usually give big pots like that. So that's pretty good. I'm still ever so slightly baffled though as to why I'd need an easel. What is this? White Seascape pigment. Okay. White Seascape pigment. Right. Do we have another colour? Okay, we have 2. Ocean Sand Seascape pigment and Deep Ocean Seascape pigment. Okay, maybe we're doing some sort of like painting here. This is very, very intriguing for me. Okay, I think we have another pigment here as well. Ocean Blue Seascape pigment. I think maybe you can sort of like decorate the shell to create a kind of like sea life sort of look. Maybe. And then what's the... Oh, we have a frame and we have a big hefty wood slice. I understand it now. So you paint it onto your wood slice or onto your frame and then you display it on your easel. Got it, got it, got it. Okay, brilliant. I was baffled there. Is there anything else in the box? No. Where are the packing peanuts? What? Mind you, we did get quite a lot in this box, so I'm not surprised that they couldn't fit any packing peanuts in. But Sophie and Toffee, if you're listening, you know that I love my peanuts, so please, even if you can squeeze in just 3, it'll do. The people need to see me throw the packing peanuts up in the air. It's my thing. So let's have a little look at the booklet. So we have October Elves box, Seascapes, make resin art, ocean coaster, painting and decorations. Okie dokie. So let's have a little look. Oh no, it is, well, yeah, silicone spatula. I suppose you can use that for stirring or for spreading your resin. Actually, yeah, it is more, it would be more for spreading the resin along the wooden coaster board, which is the round wood slice that I showed you. Okay, so the pigments are more like pastes, it looks like here. Okay, so your regular items are your epoxy resin, your pigment pastes, your pouring and mixing cups, disposable vinyl gloves, non-residue tape, so that's just your thick and thin tape that we had. It doesn't specify whether that's for decorative purposes or for like using like bezels and stuff like that. I'm not entirely sure what you'd use it for in this instance. Your wooden coaster board and your silicone spatula. Premium items are the wooden frame with the easel, the big and small seashells, moss, star and sand, moss and star sand and rainbow glitters, and more epoxy resin. That's quite a lot of premium items that they've added on there. It is a shame that you don't get any shells in the regular box, but mind you, you know, like those 4 pigment pastes look pretty cool, so you can make stuff like that with it. That is pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Right, let's have a look and see how to actually do it. Service. Okay, it does say here when it comes to mixing in these pigment pastes to wait 15 minutes after you've mixed your resin before adding the pigment pastes, and another 5 minutes before application. I guess that's probably just to allow the resin to not solidify, but just to get a little bit more kind of gloopy as opposed to being quite runny, because you're going to be just like pouring it onto a flat surface as opposed to pouring it into a mold. It's not going to be like encased in anything. So I think that's the reason why they say that, just to allow it a little bit of time to get a little bit thicker. Okay, so it says you only need 60 grams for the first layer and 40 grams for the second layer. Separate out the 60 grams with 4 colors, with ocean blue being the most and white being the least. Okay. Only use a tiny dab of the pigment paste according to the ratio amount. This is very important. They've put it in little asterisks there. Spread the clear resin over the ocean along the outline of the first layer of the white line. When the white paste has thickened slightly, pour it over the previous white line. Okay, now that's confusing me now. What? Now I'm just reading words. It's not quite sinking in. Before I go, let me have a quick look at the creative contest winners. Okay, so this is for the remember the little cute little miniature desserts box that we had. So this is for the May Creative Contest. The winner is Max Half Empty with this super cute little like duckling boba tea. That's adorable. And then we've also got Yaz. I know Yaz. Yaz Escamilla. She's also a winner. And we also have Rosie Droplets as well. These are so adorable. Check those out. Congratulations, guys. Fabulous. Okay, so I am a little bit inspired in terms of like the hourglass, you know, to maybe use the shells and stuff for the kind of like theme of the hourglass. I know that it's got like bats and skulls and everything, and it's very sort of like Halloween-y, but we could do like a Halloween underwater kind of scene. Do you know what I'm saying? So yeah, maybe we could go for something like that, or I might not do that. You know, I'm still a little bit unsure, but I will do my very best to come up with a really cool, different idea. And yeah, I'll give it to you in due course. So please continue to be patient with me. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. And of course, if you are new to Sophie and Toffee, or you've never even heard of it and you've just seen this now and you're like, oh, I want to check it out, I do have discount links in my description box below. So please do go ahead and have a look at that, whether you'd like to get yourself the Elves box itself, or if you want to just treat yourself to some really cool craft goodies, and you can go ahead and use my discount code there and save yourself a pretty penny. If you did enjoy this video, then don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Mwah. Bye.